right, 1 minute. Well, 50. These got these guys. 40. 30.
Okay. 3. Heading up.
25.
Low side. Low side.
20. 17. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Okay, I guess that's our start. That's our start, yeah. Want that main in?
Where's our way?
Right there.
We gotta go. 44 over.
Oh, yeah, they know. Okay.
Cocktail.
Watch it. No. You might have to duck these guys.
Nope.
Yeah, you're gonna have to because they're coming up.
Getting over. Ah! All good.
It's okay. I say we could go now. Look where we're at. Let's.
5, 4, 3.
Good, stay.
Are we looking both below?
We're good. They're tacked, but they're like up against the rocks. These guys are I don't think they're gonna need the tack, but they might. You could probably tack on the inside of these. Or no, wait. Get on the outside of them. All right, if you want to go. Good, I'd hold. You want it out more?
Oh, yeah.
Right there?
By that.
Yeah, getting it.
We're gonna get a puff up here.
I see it, yeah. Now we're kind of reaching a bit. Look at that. Yeah. You want to bring this in?
You can take control of it too.
I just don't want to be doing all the work. Good. Good. A little further, then we can go. All right, we can go if you want. No, fuck. We're gonna hit that thing again.
Okay.
You wanna go back?
Wait, no. I'm going this way. I throw my thumb over by that.
Yeah, we're good actually.
Telltale.
Yeah, hold on, I got it.
We're good. Wait, going all the way out. Get your body out there. We're dead downwind.
They're drifting towards it.
That's the right idea because the group will have to be on that side when around the mark.
So, what are you thinking? Yeah, but they're drifting too.
I want to be away, as far away from the mark as possible.
We might be too far. Well, let's just jibe and then you can.
Yeah. All I gotta do is just a little nose. Just right like this.
All right, we could go. We could probably start trying to.
Centerboard down.
I got it. Leave it. The fuck? I would tack in their wake.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
I'm gonna stay low. I'm gonna get middle. Yeah, but I would tack.
Ready?
Yeah.
See where we're going.
You can you probably head up more, I think. Yeah, head up. Stop.
How are the top telltales of the Jib?
They're good, they're good. Yeah. You could probably fall off just a hair. Stop. You want to ask if there's a novice?
Yeah.
Is there a novice too or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna take
Okay. $29. $25. We could do like a weird jibe thing and go that way and then go straight down. 20, 19, 18, 17. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going. Yeah, it is for sure.
Come on.
Keep going down, 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 down. Keep going down.
I'm going
push
down,
it, push
going
it. Yeah,
down.
oh, okay, okay. Good, stop, stay. Head down some more. You're luffing. Stay. Keep going down.
I'm watching the mark.
All right, stay. You're good. We're gonna go below it anyway. The river goes that way. Go down some more. All right, stop. Stay. You're good. We're gonna luff here because of these waves. Nice. First over the mark. Unless you want to tack and go straight like these guys are, but we should get out a little further, I think. Well, you're kind of pinching. All right. Yeah, cause see, look where they have to head. Well, wait. Okay, yeah, let's go. Just go. Do what you need to do. But the thing is they're gonna have to tack when they get close. Remember. Head down a bit. Actually, yep.
Ready? This is probably gonna be really windy.
Yeah, I'm ready. It's gonna be like a beat almost.
Yep.
All right, I'm ready.
Going. Still upwind?
Yep. All right, stay. You're now. It's right there. All right.
Where's my mark? I lost it.
It's right there. Keep going straight. Maybe drive. Fuck.
I made fine.
Careful behind you. They're close. Well, nothing's flying. I don't know why. Marks right here. They're out a little bit. They just took our wind too. They're definitely dying. They're passing. Marks right there if you want to fall down a bit. We might just okay.
Why isn't our red flag?
I don't know. I'm in all the way now.
That means you have to ease it. Right, there we go. Easing my main.
Oopsies. Marks there. The race isn't even over yet, so don't count your chickens. We gotta put the main out if we're like this. That's good. We don't need to go out too far. Oh, maybe we do.
Yeah, now it's behind.
Is it uncleated? Just let it go.
I don't want to go too far.
Well, then here. All right, then bring it in.
I don't know. I just want to get around this one.
Well, then leave it here.
I'm gonna push down.
I'll let the wind do it.
Down. Get out. Try the other side.
No, it's fine still.
Something. I feel like I'm heating up, but
You are. But this thing.
figure out cut around this line.
Don't cut in between them.
We're going hot.
All right, well then just.
Here, I'm gonna get off.
Now we can start going.
Wait.
It's, well, it's fucked. What in the motherfuck? Oh, it went all the way. All right.
Come on.
You're pinching.
Set it down.
Yeah.
Get up, get up, get up, get up.
Red's right there. You're fine.
Forward, or middle, whatever it makes sense. Trim and jib, or I have to let down.
You're fine. Keep going.
Back it down.
They got it.
We just want to make it interesting. Damn it, Ford. Oh, we flagged everyone.
Yeah, we did.
The women's is the one that matters to me.
We did it? Okay. All right, let's go that way.